Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How dangerous is the GetContact application and why it does not need to be installed? At the end of February, social network users began to upload screenshots from the GetContact application. One of its functions allows you to see how phone numbers are recorded from other users. To do this, you must create an account and give the application access to personal data. A surge in popularity occurred in February 2018. Users of Twitter and other social networks actively share their emotions about how they are recorded from friends and acquaintances. Others ironically joke about voluntary discharge of their data. The rest are justly outraged by the negligent attitude to the protection of personal information. As soon as the application is not called GetContact, both the spy application and the destroyer of lives. The danger of it is that this application does not just gain access to the user's phone book. All contacts from it fall into a common base. And then theoretically it can become accessible to almost everyone. Guarantees that flooded in the network contacts do not take advantage of outsiders. There is no to whom, as well as when the phone number of a certain person comes. It is impossible to predict. In addition, the telephone number and data persons enter the network without his knowledge and permission. If a person gives you his number, this does not mean that he wants you to transfer this number to someone unknown and to whom. It's one thing when a downloaded application requests permission to access contacts on the device itself. And quite another, when these contacts are brought to their base. Most users install this application to learn something new. They do not think about the consequences. In my opinion, it does violate the law on the protection of personal data. How it works. The user registers the account and gives the application access to the phone book, so it adds to the common database. This is necessary for the application to be able to determine the incoming call from the subscriber, even if its number is not in the contact list. The potential danger of this application is that anyone can connect to the phone number a name, surname and other information about its owner. Using such data, telephone fraudsters can conduct more accurate and effective attacks using social engineering. In addition, if you do not know about the existence of this application and want your phone number to remain known only to a narrow circle of people, then this application may indirectly violate your rights. Alas, to protect yourself from this by 100% is not possible, even if you comply with all safety rules. In this case, the phone number may be in public access due to other people who use GetContact, because you cannot guarantee for all the subscribers of the phone book. How much application is dangerous? If you search for a number in the search, the application will show how the subscriber was recorded with other users. And you can check not only yourself, but also any other person whose data is in the database. Many users were alarmed, because personal data fell into the wrong hands without their consent. How to delete your number from the GetContact database. You can delete your number from the database on the official website of the application. For this you need open the application and delete the account in the About GetContact section. On the site enter the phone number and press unlist. Within 24 hours, the number must be removed from the database. However, this does not help if your friend is downloading the application and registering the account. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.